Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Taurus for August 2021. So watch this video if you're a Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram where I keep on sharing lot of remedies, switch words for career, reconciliation, love, finance, daily horoscope, etc. for free. So you can just go to my Instagram. The name is popping on the screen. The link is in the description. Alright, let's see messages for Taurus. If you don't already know, then I'm a Moon and Venus in Taurus myself. So I look forward to these readings. Judgment card. Alright, Taurus. Give me present energy. Four of Cups. Ooh. What is up? Ten of Cups. Alright. Bottom of the deck, King of Pentacles. So I see that you guys are very focused on your work, your money, your stability. When it comes to love, you're hoping for a commitment. I see that your energy is that you want to settle down, you want to get married, you want this person to propose to you, you want this person to give you the commitment that you're seeking from. But I see that the connection is not able to move forward. Alright. Somebody is ghosting you, somebody is not very focused on you. So I see that somebody is just trying to be very distant. And you know, the problem is that the connection was going really well. It is not that there was not love. I see there was a lot of love. There was mutual love, in fact. But somebody is just trying to ruin the connection. I see somebody, you know, like maybe this person is very commitment phobic. So as soon as they see commitment, or as soon as they get to know that they will have to give commitment, they start acting weird. So I see that somebody started acting weird and they kind of ruined the connection and things just went back to what it was initially. So things are not working out, all right? And it is because that somebody is trying to distance themselves from the connection purposefully. So here your person, it's not the circumstances. I see that your person is purposefully doing things to hurt you, purposefully doing things to not make connection go forward, and they're just trying to ignore you, ghost you, or they're just not paying attention. All right, and all of this is frustrating the hell out of you. Okay, what was the obstacle here between Taurus and their person? Why is Page of Wands is the obstacle? Okay, Eight of Cups also wanted to come out with the Hanged Man. All right. So these were just, they just kind of flipped inside the deck itself. So I see that your person, the problem is that they cannot decide. As I said, this person has commitment phobia. Your person cannot make up their mind. They're very immature for connection. I see that you, Taurus, you're very stable, and you being an earth sign, you're very mature as well. But the person that you're dealing with, either they are younger than you or they are not mentally as mature. All right. For some of you, it could be because of the age factor that this person is like younger than you. So that is why they get very scared with the name of commitment, because then they think that their freedom will go away. But for others of you, I see they just cannot make up their mind. You know, Hanged Man is that energy that this person is not trying to understand the situation and this person is not paying attention as a blockage. This shows that you're very stubborn with your own ideas and you do not want to see things in a different light. So some of you, your person, they think that everything should happen as per them, but anytime you want to step in and you want them to do something so that the connection can move forward, they pull back. This person has definitely ghosted you, or they left your life, or they told you that you cannot expect something from them, or they're just acting very, very distant. This person has been doing this with you for some time now. So this is not a new thing. I see that you have been waiting for this commitment for a very long time, Taurus, and this person is testing your patience. Let me know what sign is that, because I definitely see a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sag so far. What else? Three of Cups. You are manifesting a reunion or you're manifesting good times. Yeah, you see, this is your energy. You're manifesting a new beginning. Some of you, you might leave this person behind and go forward with a new person. You're hoping that a new person should come into your life. Some of you, there could be, again, a water sign or a Gemini or an Aquarius that is coming towards you. Somebody new might come into your life. For some of you, I see that you are manifesting a new beginning with this person, and that's going to happen very suddenly. But your message is to release. Until and unless you release, until and unless you do you, this person is not coming back, because this person knows that you are not going anywhere. So they have that benefit of doubt that, oh my god, I can do whatever, Taurus is not going to go anywhere. You need to show this person that you will leave them if they don't act straight. All right, you have to give that kind of shocker to them. And for some of you, I see a new beginning. I see a new beginning coming into your life. Some of you, you were confined in this situation for some time, and because of that, maybe your personal life was also taking a toll, that you were just mentally very disturbed and you were not able to do things in your work or personal life. But now I see that you are taking risks in your life and you're just being very determined to go after something that you are very passionate for. That's the Fool energy. I see that you're looking for good times, you're manifesting good times. You feel that you have been in this stagnant energy for a very long time, and now you need to go forward, find your happiness. You are taking charge of your own happiness. All right, you're not letting this person decide for you when you will be happy and when not. World card. Are you looking for travel, some of you? And I being a Taurus, I am definitely looking to travel. I might be shifting very soon. I'm already planning on that. So not really travel, but shifting. So I'm looking to change my home. For some of you, you might be looking that as well. You're trying to move, you're trying to change your location. Some of you, you're trying to look for an abroad travel. I see that you're basically very done with all the confusion that this person has put in your life, and now you're like, let me just get out of this cycle and let me just move forward and do good for me. So you're very determined to start something in your life, and the good news is that whatever you will be starting in this time, it will reach its completion. So if you're planning to start a new business, go for it. If you want to start an education thing, go for it. If you want to start a course, go for it. I see that it's going to pay you very well. It's not only going to start, but it's going to end as well. Very, very well. You're going to achieve whatever you want. Some of you definitely trying to educate yourself, enrolling in a course, taking new courses is going to pay you off really well. And for others of you, if you're trying to start whatever you want to start right now, you're passionate towards it, go for it. And the message is to take the risk. Okay, give me what happened between Taurus and this person in the past. Empress. Wow, some of you maybe got pregnant with this person. For others of you, I see that you really hoped for everything. You were putting in a lot of effort, and this is literally your sign. I see you were looking for marriage and you were doing all the hard work in the connection, and this person was there just for fun, or they were just not participating as much. I won't say they were there for fun, but I see this person has a hard time communicating their emotions. See, Death card. I see somebody was not expressing themselves and there was repressed emotions. You were hoping for a commitment, and I see you were putting in more work, or I think you were the only one who was putting in work. You were working really hard on this connection with this person, and they were not doing it, and instead they were just giving you confusion. They never really told you what is up with them, and now you're like, do I really need to work on this, or shall I move on? So you're confused, and that is why now you're desperately looking for a shift. Six of Pentacles. Some of you, this person breadcrumbed you, so they did not really offer you what you wanted. You never really got what you wanted from this connection. It was just very much a one-sided effort, and that frustrated you. Okay, what is the future energy for Taurus and love? 3 of Wands. Wow. I see things are going to move forward for you. For some of you, if somebody was a toxic piece of shit, you need to let go this person. But for others of you, I see that there could be communication coming in from someone who's living at a distance. So you might actually get into a long distance relationship. And if you're waiting for a communication, that is coming in. So you're hoping to hear from someone, it's coming in. 3 of Wands is literally your ships coming in. And I don't know, for most of you, I see travel is a priority and expanding your business is a priority. So maybe love might not be as much of a priority right now. You just want to settle. You want to become stable first, and then you will look for love. So if that is the case, then yeah, I see your money and your stability and your travel dream basically coming true. And when it comes to love, I definitely see new beginnings in love. So you're going to get that clarity. So that confusion that was here, I see you're going to get your answer, you're going to get the clarity, and I see a love opportunity as well. Some of you, you'll be connecting with an air sign. or a water sign. And especially if you ended things with an air sign very brutally, I see this person wants to talk. So as soon as you turn your back to this person and as soon as you try to focus on your own growth and stability, I see this person comes up into your life. And this has been going on for some time. See, 2 of Wands. Some of you have 2 options in love. A water or an air sign, or a water or fire sign. 4 of Wands and the Magician. Wow. See, you are manifesting marriage. Some of you, your relationship is going to take some time because I see the person that is coming towards you is marriage material. You will end up with this person, and for things to be very stable and long lasting, it is taking some time, so be patient with it. Don't try to hasten the process. Right now, universe is testing you. It is giving you a tough time so that you can focus on your own growth and you can basically grow in your life. You can achieve things in your life, so go for that. Make your career, your stability. Maybe some of you want to buy a house, or you want to travel, you want to have a citizenship of another country. So maybe right now it's just asking you to focus on that. This relationship or the marriage that you want to manifest, it is already lining up for you. You don't have to worry. All right, it is already happening for you at the back. For now, focus on this growth. This is a period for you to grow and overcome all of these challenges that you have gone through lately. You have ended a cycle majorly in your life, or something did not go as per the plan, which was very crushing, but all of that was put into your life so that you can transform and become a better person. All right. And this thing, that marriage or whatever you were trying to manifest, I see some of you marriage is a priority, or that commitment, the be all end all, is a priority. It is coming for you. You just need to be more patient. It's going to take some time. You want things very fast, but it is taking some time. Emperor. Wow. The Emperor and the Empress. I see that you're attracting a divine counterpart, and that is why it's taking time. Or this person needs some time to level up. You know, they have to become an emperor from the page of 1. It's gonna take time. Some of you, definitely the next person could be the person for you, or maybe someone from the past coming as an emperor. Whoever it is, your next relationship could be the last one, like the be all end all kind of thing. It's gonna take some time though. We have the Emperor and the Empress. We have the Hierophant, the 10 of Cups, 4 of Wands. All of this is showing marriage to me. So some of you, you're very close to meet the one or be with the one. You have been manifesting this for some time and you're not able to see it yet. Don't get frustrated. It is coming. This could be the one. Congratulations. You will be meeting the one, or you are going to end up with this person long term. Whoever you're trying to manifest, because we have the Magician, right? You're manifesting it. Give me message for Taurus, please. Flirt. Somebody wants to flirt with you. Passion. Wow. Give me one more card. Children. Yeah. See. So I see that this person has a lot of passion. They're going to flirt with you, or they're going to keep it very, very light. Some of you, maybe this person is a child, so that is a problem. Maybe children just kind of come into this connection, like they have kids, you have kids, I don't know, or maybe you want kids, you will have kids for some of you. Things are going to start off really casual, but I see things will become very intense. And some of you, you know that there is intense passion, but this person tries to hide things or whatever, or your next person is going to be very easygoing. They will take things very slow. Don't lose hope, because I definitely see a marriage or a be all end all in your future. But for that, first you need to focus on your priorities right now and try to focus on your stability, because I see a lot of abundance coming your way. And because you are so sad as to when this person will show up and when will I be in a relationship, you might just screw up your opportunities. So don't do that. All right. So yeah, that was a very beautiful reading. In fact, one of the best readings for August for you guys. So I'll see you very soon in the next one. You guys take care, stay safe, bye.